Hey y'all, I got a package. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this package yesterday, but I love you all so much that I decided to wait to open my package today when I was able to record. So this is my order from the Happy Planner Spring Release. I know that I put a video out of what my wish list was, but together we're gonna look at the things that I actually ordered. So let me open this package and we will get started. Okay, so I've opened the package and there's this nice little card in here, so cute. And I just kind of perused it. Looks like it's saying that, there's going to be new ideas, fresh pages, new moments in the making because the founding family is back. So I did not know that there was a change. However, I'm excited to see what does change with them coming back. So I did not get any planners. Okay, I did have the parenting planner that I thought about getting, but I opted not to. So we're just gonna go through the sticker books that I purchased. So I have this Midnight Meadow, and we're just gonna do a quick flip through. There are some, I am so sorry. I just burped and I hope you didn't hear it. That was so gross. But there are some videos that probably do some pretty impressive flip throughs of these books, but I'm just going to do kind of like a quick one for your eyes and for my eyes. This is such a pretty book. Okay, and I like how it has the preview window, and this time it has the name on the top. Last release, I don't believe there was the name on the top, so I had to buy like a white paint pen to write the name because I store my books like this. Anywho, so this is the Optimistic Brights. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, let me focus. Oh, pretty. Oh yeah, I'm happy I got this. I did not realize that there was like this iridescent look to them. I don't know if you can see or tell. The flip throughs that I saw online did not do it justice. And I think these were one of the books that if I had to eliminate something, this was possibly on the chopping block, and I'm glad that I decided to stick with it. All right, so the next book is Lady and the Tramp. I was super excited about this. I think I may have gotten all of the Disney sticker books. You know, I have not watched this movie in a while. I may need to see if I can pull this movie up and watch it on my Disney Plus. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. All right. The next book, Mod Sketches. Sorry, I'm having trouble picking it up. Okay. So we'll do a little flip here. Some of them are like sticking together on the side. So I'm sorry if the flip through is kind of messing up a little bit. I'm trying my best here. I'm trying my best. These were the pages that I was most excited about. And they do not disappoint now that I see them in person. And it's a very interesting color scheme to me. Okay, yeah, so I'm pretty, oh, nice. I'm pretty excited about this sticker book. Next, we have Petals and Plans. I loved everything about the color scheme in this sticker book when I saw it online. So this is one of the ones where I was like, I am absolutely getting it. And now as I'm like seeing this in person, I am very happy with getting this one. I don't have very many books that have copper in it. So I'm so excited to have a sticker book with copper foil. Yeah, very cute. Okay. The next book we have is Whimsical Seasons. So I love like seasonal books. I think these are really great books for people who are just like starting off in their collection. It gives you, I guess I would say, a good enough variety for you to make it throughout the year. So this is one of the books that I would consider getting if I was just trying to start off on a sticker collection. This is a really, really great option. I love the colors. And as you flip through the books, you can see that the season that it is for. Oh, I love this. I love these flowers. Oh, so cute. All right. Next we have Bloom and Grow. Sorry, I have my package sitting in my lap. I don't know if you can tell. So that's probably the noise that you're hearing. Yes, this is pretty. I really like the colors of this too. I like more so bright colors, you know, with some pinks involved and things like that. Now this sticker I find to be kind of interesting, but this might work very well in like the weekend area of my planner. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty. Oh, look at this. This is like green foil. I've never seen that before. That's different. Beautiful. Good job, Happy Planner. I love it. Yeah, this is nice. And I am sorry if I appear to be a little bit, if I sound stuffy. Over the last like couple of days, I've gotten congested. Hence why I also did not record yesterday. Okay, so Aristocrats. I love this movie and I was so excited to see a sticker book. And I absolutely love these colors. I love that they did like a bright incorporation of it. Oh, look at this. And I think I have a page, I have to find what sticker book it is in, but of stickers that are boxes that have this kind of pink foil to it. Oh, adorable. Okay, I love it. Nice. Oh, I might want to watch this movie soon too. I might see if my kiddos want to watch this movie with me because I don't think they've seen it yet. I try to watch like the newer Disney movies with them, but also expose them to the older ones because, you know, those are some classics. Very cute. I can tell this is going to be a sticker book that I will want to use but won't want to use because I'm going to be sad that I've already used the stickers. So I'm going to try not to hoard these stickers. Generally, I won't use them, and then I'll look up and I have a full book of stickers that I always wanted to use but never did. Toy Story. This was another sticker book that I knew was going to stay in my cart no matter what. If I have no money, I was going to get this one and the Aristocats for sure. Very cute. Oh, these are some interesting shapes. I don't know if you can see. It's not a complete square. It kind of flares out. And same thing for these boxes. Cute. Oh, okay. It got stuck. Very nice. All right, I think I have maybe like 3 more to show you all. So I got this Shell Yeah. Cute name for the sticker book, by the way. I just really liked these colors. So I knew that this would not disappoint. I'm a little apprehensive about these shell-shaped stickers, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it do what it do. Okay. And then I have In the Moment. This was one of the ones I wasn't sure I was going to get, but I'm immediately drawn to these boxes. I tend to kind of steer away from boxes that are odd shaped, but I just really liked these for some reason. They're sticking a little bit. This is gold foil, but it has like it's like a yellow gold. It's not like the gold foil that I've seen in other stickers. Oh, and we have some silver foil. I do like how they add like an interesting look to these pages by the way the back paper looks. Even though, yeah, because this right here is the sticker. All right, just these right here. So this line that you see is just kind of like the design of the back paper. Oh, very cute. Like some clear stickers that are green foil. We have that yellow foil, yellow gold foil again. Some silver. It looks like it is showing through pretty nicely on the camera. Some more silver foil. Okay. I can tell this is going to be a little bit of a challenge for me because I'm not quite sure how I will use these birds, but I'm going to figure it out. All right, and this is Color Coordinate. This is probably another sticker book that I would suggest to someone who's fairly new if you aren't too sure like where to start. These books generally give you just a little bit of almost all of the books that came out for the season. So this one is very reminiscent of a sticker book that we had looked at before. Nice copper. This is reminiscent. I think they had like a coffee sticker book that came out. I can't remember exactly what it's called. There was like a I think it also had a accompanying planner. Okay, don't quote me on that. I think this is kind of reminiscent of this right here. So we have the same bird that was in this particular book. We have some shells that kind of remind me a little bit of the shell. Yeah. So this is just like a nice mix of all the stickers that came out for the season. Some more coffee. Shell, yeah, mixed in with something else. Oh, I love this color. Okay, nice. Okay, there we go. So that is all I got. There's only one other sticker book that I'm thinking of in my mind that if I decide to place another order, I may. But let's go over this again. So I have the Color Coordinate. This is the In the Moment. Shell, yeah. Midnight Meadow. Bloom and Grow. Optimistic Brights. Whimsical Seasons. Petals and Plans. Mod Sketches. And then I got 3 Disney sticker books. We have the Aristocrats, Toy Story, and Lady and the Tramp. So that is it, you all. Besides the other sticker book that I just mentioned, I also wanted to get like the expander disc metal ones in the color black. When I went to go place my order, it kept saying coming soon. So I don't know if it was a timing thing or what happened, but I wanted to go ahead and get my order in for my sticker books. And then maybe I'll revisit into getting those expander discs along with that other sticker book that is on my mind now. So that is it, you all. What did you get from the, well, first off, let me ask, have you gotten your order yet? And then if so, what did you get? And what are you most excited about? And what is something that you may have wished that you had got that's still on your wish list? All right, so that is it, you all. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this video. Please consider hitting the thumbs up if you like this video and also subscribing. I will be using all of these sticker books to decorate in my planner. I release decorating videos of my planner weekly, and I would love to have you join me in those videos. I will see y'all next time. Bye.